Why?
Schwarzenegger.
Oh. Yeah, so as you can see, it's professionally installed.
If you want holding that light down for un momento.
Hold on, what? Hold the light.
Hold this thing down.
Oh. Maybe I should shed some light on it. Is this Wiz Khalifa? He just keeps saying, uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Bird, it's a plane. It's really a plane. Ammo. We're good.
Is there a bass drop setting on the, is it filming?
Yeah.
Do you have a bass drop setting on your, in your editing software?
No, but I can add something in probably.
What's going on up there?
Nothing.
I'm on fire.
Fire? Where?
There we go. I was warming up.
Yeah.
I landed like 4 in a row at one day. I don't have it today. After hours and hours of editing, I walk downstairs and I'm like, hey mom, have you seen the new First Gear? And she's like, oh God. I'm like, you should really see it. We reviewed an Audi. She's like, God, no. God, you know the.
Shh. What? Don't wake the fan. Shh. Chubbs, you're gonna wake the neighbors.
My American V8. This here is a Chevy 520. And if you look real careful, it says supercharged. Now, all of these numbers here are just a reading of the horsepower, but they're spread out. Now, this seems to have, oh boy, that's a big number, 18,456,572 brake horsepower. Get out of here, boy, I'll race you. God dang it. Dang goons always trying to get up in my truck. But as I was saying, a couple 100 million horsepower. I have to throw some hand. Get out of here. Get out. What?
Some.
Thanks to Linex, we have the best bed liners around.
Oh goodness.
Get out of here now. Smack you upside the mouth, boy. Hey, wait, Xander.
What? What?
Hold on, I got it. Ready?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah! Get out of here. The power of Christ compels me.
Dodge has a demon. We're here to exercise that.
Now he's blind. If you ever have an emergency, you just call Batman. He's busy. Oh my God.
Hey Brady.
What do you want?
Oh, piss off.
Piss off.
You gotta take some.
Have the literal tool should use for this. And if I fall, it's gonna go through my lip right where the other thing. Wait. Hole puncher. God damn it! Brady.
Yeah?
Use this one.
I have so many mixed emotions right now.
I'm gonna walk away. Goodbye.
People are trying to.
Hole puncher. Which one do you use?
Hey, what's that over there, Xander? You see that outside?
Is this for?
That big old badonkadonk.
Is this holding the seat in?
Yes.
Are we sitting on a seat that's not screwed in?
Correct.
You just used.
Do you have an impact gun?
I have mini impact.
Now, Brady.
Old puncher. Just poke it. You gotta take some.
Have the literal tool should use for this. And if I fall, it's gonna go through my lip right where the other thing. Wait. Hole puncher. God damn it! Brady.
Yeah?
Use this one.
I have so many mixed emotions right now.
I'm gonna walk away. Goodbye.
People are trying to.
Hole puncher.
what's that over there, Xander? You see that outside?
That big old badonkadonk?
Is this holding the seat in?
Yes.
Are we sitting on the seat that's not screwed in?
Correct. I found out.
When I used my critical thinking methods, something that was introduced by Socrates using something called the Socratic method back in ancient Greece.
I thought you said soccer tees, and I was really confused.
That's what I thought too.
Socrates.
Socrates.
Yes, the philosopher. Now, after using the
She's staring at
Socratic
me?
method,
Is she staring at me? I don't want to look.
that we should each use a hole puncher of the two.
A-hole puncher?
And we could.
Who's what now?
No, that's after. Now,
Now, in other news, look at these big old drag radials.
shut up, boy, and listen. I was out there fishing with my boy Jimmy John. All right. Now one second you think you're fishing. Next thing, boom, cannonball hits Jimmy John. And it turns out it wasn't a cannonball. It was one of them dang Viet Cong curled up into a ball. A bunch of the other ones threw him. Took out Jimmy John, stabbed him right there in the throat. All right? Now, I had a decision to make. Was I going to pull the pin on that there hand grenade, or was I going to fish fight it out? You bet your butt I did both. Pulled that hand grenade. I beat him to the ground, left that thing in that boat, and knocked over that water, all right? I did it for Jimmy John.
Do it for Dale.
Boys, that there is an easy target. Take the shot! Okay, we might need the hammer. You got a sledgehammer, right?
Does this work?
I'm going to miss, and it's just going to nail Xander right in his penis.
Bink. Well, small
It'll
hammer
make
for
the
a
same
small
sound,
job.
He told me he needed a bigger one, so I just got a bigger one.
Hammer plus another hammer equals big hammer.
Equals one normal hammer. So if we just hit one,
Just combine
it's like when
them.
you try to tow something out and you hook one car to another car and another car. You just kind of hook them in the line. Ouch, that is painful.
ASC certified is not in my vocabulary.
What's that mean?
That I'm a professional. So, they say you need the right tool for the job. I got a socket. Extension number 1. Extension number 2. 3. Socket. Bingo.
Xander, we need 3 men on this.
Oh, no.
That's what she said.
Oh, no.
I'll get on the other side.
It's fine, but start the screw and we'll jiggle it all around what it's in. If we get the screws in there loosely, we can just shove the headliner until it all kind of fits together.
Oh no. Oh no. It doesn't feel right. What the hell? Is it backwards? Please tell me this is just backwards. Take the 1,000 moving flashlight. Shine it on your face.
Oh. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Come to you again.
Please put that screw in that side right there. My legs get tired, damn it.
Yeah.
This
Where's the
part's not
screw
really
at?
glued in at all.
Where them screws
I'll just
at?
hold it with my feet.
Yeah. Feet always work. Why are these screws so weird?
Hey, that made it work. Left footprints on it too.
So, if somebody put the screws in that little pocket. Would you mind hanging another screw?
I
that
like
might fit?
that.
That's not a good one.
Fine, since you're being so nice. I'll give you
This dash is nice.
this good one.
Isn't it nice?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I know.
Yeah, it jiggles a bit, but that's alright. That's fine with me, buddy. How did I just have that much trouble? when I used my critical thinking methods, something that was introduced by Socrates using something called the Socratic method back in ancient Greece.
I thought you said Socrates, and I was really confused.
That's what I thought too.
Socrates.
Socrates.
Yes, the philosopher. Now, after using the
Is she staring at
Socratic
me?
method,
Is she staring at me? I don't want to look.
we should each use a hole puncher of the two.
A-hole puncher?
And we could.
Who's what now?
No, that's after. Now,